So this week is the first week of school. All our kiddos are back on campus full time. So the most exciting about starting the school year off is that we're setting the tone for our students and our families in the community. As our 3- and 4-year-olds come in for our Head Start program, we want our students to know, our parents to know, and the community to know that we are an educated program getting our students geared up and ready for public school, diving into those math, science, writing, and just making sure that our kiddos are ready for public school when they transition to kindergarten.
So right now, this is the first week of school, and we're just kind of letting the children get acclimated to their new environment, because some of them have never been in school before, and so we want them to get socially acclimated to before we dive into the academics. And then the teachers are learning names, because we have to learn their names as well. So everybody is adjusting.
So in our classroom, we have a daily activity. So we have a lesson plan, so our teachers follow lesson plans with our students. We make sure that it's not only fun and inviting, but also it's an aspect of them learning. We know that kiddos learn through interaction, so that's why you see a lot of interactive with our teachers, with our students. So yes, the lesson plans are specified for each day for our students to dive into different activities.
We have circle time with the children in the morning, that circle time introducing them to the lesson components that we're going to do throughout the day. They have the outside time. We come back in, we have music and movement, with the children absolutely love. Family style meals where the teachers sit down, interact, talk about the things we're eating, so that the children are able to talk about the things they eat, the texture, the taste. I like to go into class and get to meet the children and actually sit down and talk to them, and just get to know them and put face with names, because I'm really big at addressing everybody by their names. For me, I'm giving myself, by the end of next week, I will know all the students' names. That's my goal.